Hello, Haley here with the Armageddon report. Right, made some more changes to the lovely strong earthquakes today map. By the way, if you watched yesterday, how I said, I think I mentioned that the date was often different between this map and that map. Well, that's apparently because one of the files is not getting updated properly. Like this. If you want some technical details, it gets pulled out of a separate JS file. The code for the map is always the same, but this is an image link. So this page itself has to update, and for some reason, this page isn't always updating. So this one will actually be fresh and current, but that one won't. So apparently, holding together a site with duct tape is a bad idea, and I'll have to go and fix that. And then I tweaked the stuff, and you can't tell as easily now, but see, it does not wrap. I fixed the hack by removing it, but the thing does not wrap at the international date line, so you have to go all the way around. Because you can't tell that, but once you go over here, it's technically now showing up over there, see? Yeah. So that sucks, because it should totally, figure out, hey, why don't I show everything? This is in the map viewport. Anyway, right, I don't know anything about programming, so we'll move on to this, where it's a map with colors, and here's a map with colors, and here's some other map that says everything is frozen or blizzard-like and everything's on fire or extremely windy. Let's look at some stuff. Blizzard warning. How exciting. Unless you hate blizzards and maybe you like them. Lots of winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings up in this area. Wind thingies. I'm not sure about the blue, I've already forgotten. Winter Storm Watch, right, so this right here is actually out of date. That was earlier. They've now branched the two severe thunderstorm areas together, right. Heavy snow possible up here, and guess what? That area where there's the whole blizzard and stuff going on. Freezing rain possible in these areas. Tomorrow, it moves eastward, doesn't it? Heavy snow possible up there, and apparently several of these smallish areas there. Day after tomorrow, heavy snow, and wherever the white hatched areas are. Right, HPC's composite chart. So here, since we don't often see it, is the probability of a 1/4 inch of icing. So there's actually a moderate risk in some areas of at least a 1/4 inch of icing. And then we've even got high risk areas today of at least a foot of snow accumulation. So, and then there's huge areas of at least 4 inches. So 4 inches, 8 inches, a foot, 1/4 inch of icing. Right, so now to move on to the big yellow blob of probability. Right, so we break it down into the individual thingies. Right, severe wind, here's your 15% chance today. Severe hail, there'll be hail 1 inch or larger. There's your 15% chance. And then tornado time, 5% chance. And what is that called? The boot heel. The boot heel in Missouri. I need to brush up on my American areas or something. And then the day 2, also known as tomorrow, outlook, big, huge area. And then it's also as high as 30%. So your slight risk is the 15% and greater. And the 30% is there. And of course, if we get up to 45%, you see a purple area, and then it becomes, instead of being yellow, on this map it'll be orange, it'll be a moderate risk area, if that happens. So yeah, we keep an eye on it. But yeah, day 3, green. So past today and tomorrow, not much going on apparently, or at least as of now, as it's predicted. So here's today's area again. So if you're in that area, of course, you should always pay attention. Of course, you should pay attention if you're not in that area anyway, because, eventually your area might be in the yellow. I don't know. Anyway, WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. Right. And that's it. That's the ending I've got. Enjoy the day, whatever today is. I've already run out of the calendar.